6-inch deck. It's missing this button, so I had to hold the deck up. There's like a release button there where you're gonna lock it up. That's where you're gonna boat with it. That's the only thing I know, man. It steers good, it runs good. Safety switch works. Got a 23 horse Kohler on it. These Simplicities are really good mowers. Really good mowers. Seems to be very good. It started with the key. It was sold around here close. They're out of business now, but local entity that sold this new. And it's worked close, but it looks like it's pretty good. So you're going to buy it absolutely on Tractor House Auction. It does have a striping kit on it, and it has cruise control.